there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you navigate the crazy world of consumer products. Today, we've got a high-flying battle between two sky dominators, the ATTOP Drone and the Brushless Motor Drone. Buckle up and grab your popcorn because this one's going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk cameras. The ATTOP Drone sports a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees field of view, perfect for capturing your epic mid-air selfies or that regrettable decision to wear Crocs in public. Meanwhile, comes in hot with a 1080p HD camera too, but wait for it, a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. Because who doesn't need to capture every possible angle of their neighbor's cat? According to reviewers, Fokjank's adjustable lens is a standout feature, giving it an edge in versatility. Now, let's talk battery life. The ATTOP Drone boasts 3.7 volts, 1,100 milliamp-hours batteries, giving you a solid 30 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to fly around and realize you forgot to hit record. Fokjank, on the other hand, doesn't specify its battery life. But hey, it has a brushless motor, so it's like the Tesla of drones. Quiet, powerful, and makes you feel fancy. Reviewers have noted that Fokjank offers nearly 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is quite impressive but slightly less than ATTOP's 30 minutes. The ATTOP Drone is packed with features like voice control, gesture selfies, and 360 degrees flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Plus, it's got altitude hold and one-key return, so even your grandma can fly it without losing it in a tree. Fokjank, though, goes all out with its brushless motors, level 4 wind resistance, and a max speed of 40 kilometers per hour. It's ready to fight the elements like a true warrior. And let's not forget the 5 GHz FPV transmission for those who want to see the world without leaving their couch. Reviewers praise Fokjank for its advanced features and performance, making it a top choice for those seeking high-end capabilities. ATTOP makes it super easy to get started with one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, and emergency stop. It's basically the drone equivalent of riding a bike with training wheels. Fokjank also has one-key takeoff, landing, and headless mode, but it throws in optical flow positioning and custom path flight. Because who doesn't want to program their drone to spell out their name in the sky? Reviewers appreciate both drones for their user-friendly features, making them accessible even for beginners. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers highlight ATTOP for its durability and ease of use, though there are some concerns about product malfunctions. On the other hand, Fokjank is praised for its advanced features and excellent customer service, despite some issues with connectivity and app functionality. So smart shoppers, which drone should you buy? If you're looking for a feature-packed, easy-to-use drone that won't break the bank, the ATTOP Drone is your best bet. But if you want a high-performance beast that'll make you feel like a drone racing champion, the Fokjank Brushless Motor Drone is worth the extra bucks. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and shopping smart.